There's your other duck having a clean. I'm talking to the ducks, John.
All right. Have they answered you?
They've not answered me yet. No, there is two. Next two, I'm getting closer and closer, but oh, they're getting a bit nervous about me now. I'll leave you in peace. Oh, he's going over to protect the little one. Yeah, leave you in peace.
Not done yet, that little thing.
I'm busy anyway. I'm loading up. Although I rang Ellie at the yard this morning and prices have dropped. Still, I need the space. It's gotta go. Well, we're near enough loaded. It's not a big load today. It's more that I need to create that space, especially since yesterday I only had, and small firewood got that, I only had 2 feet worth of space. Anyway, at least I've got a walkway through. Right, in our bathroom we have had this towel radiator. The Americans don't know. Hot water is pumped through it, goes up, circulates down and comes out. Heats that up, heats the towel up. Also acts as a radiator in the room. You can buy these with electric elements in, oil filled. Probably better in so much as if it's oil filled, it's not likely to rust. Anyway, my wife was saying to me a few days ago, 2 weeks ago, it's got some brown marks on it. Can you have a look, get some thinners and see if you can get them off? So I had a closer look and I'm going, oh, I don't look good. That brown marks, yeah, could be rust, but I think the paint's beginning to crack here. I reckon it's bubbling. So I reckon it's rusting from the inside out. It'll only be very thin material. So this is going to the scrapyard, but before it does, I'm actually going to cut a section out, and then I can, for my own benefit, cut it open and just see how rusty it was going. I might actually cut this bottom section out first, I think. I might show you that later. Right, off to the yard. Well, we're here again at the Old Anvil Yard, and there's only me here. And we've come with donuts, of course. And look at these. Jaffa coated donuts. We'll have to try one of them, won't we? Right, so as soon as he's gone, he goes back, I'll pull up. Look at the place. It's empty. See, you're going to get this from the horse's mouth here. Even professional scrapyards use big hammers.
Big knocking stick. I'm not swinging it.
I'm waiting for it to swing it.
No, because if I miss...
Ooh, look at them for a pair of cable cutters.
If I miss, I'll look an idiot.
Hey, can you miss that? Sounds of a burned door.
I've got certain bits to it.
I think you better give it hammer to Ellie.
I know, yeah. I've got no room.
You got no room to swing. What do you get? What do you have to do? You get served here. Hello, Ellie. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody on YouTube.
No, you got to say hello. Fork off YouTube.
No. Honestly.
I said that and I keep getting told off. Shocking.
Naughty, naughty.
Where
What
is
we got
everybody?
today, Ian?
Where is everybody?
I've sent Robert out to leave me alone. I've sent... that's it. It's just Robert. Robert's not here.
Well, there you go, folks. We're back from the yard. No taking the Michael out of Aaron for rather limp-wristedly using a sledgehammer. I've got to admit, as an Homer guy, I've got to say, I've seen better Homering. Right, oh, I've got the ducks again. Giving us his best profile. Right, for me, well, what did it weigh, what did it pay? Okay, I have a few little jobs to do. Right, I've got to test that. If it don't work, break it up. I've got to cut some wood up tonight because it's going to be cold. Making some room. Got to tattle that lot. We are making room. It's surprising just how much those fire extinguishers, how much space they take up. One of my first things to do is put a new bin in there for my iron. Can't use that because that's ultimately going to be me my aluminium melting furnace eventually. So we need a bin. So a choice of 3. I've got one there, and one there. Logically it says go for the one that's nearest. So I've got to take this stuff off top. I've got to go through it anyway. I picked it up. That's just rags. Always rags. Tools and things are picked up. Seem to be all like cutting bits. Oh, this is an interesting. We'll go through this. This is an interesting thing. I mean, what's that? It's got big square hole, little square hole, big round hole, little round hole, and there's 3 of them. Well, we'll go through that because there are a couple of interesting things there. So I'm going to do a little bit of whizzing. Oh, no, I'll tell you what. We'll do what did it weigh, what did it pay. Right, I didn't take my brass in because I phoned Ellie at the yard this morning. She said the price has dropped. It's still a high price. It was 3,860. I like getting over £4 for my brass, so I didn't take it in. Cast alley's up, £1,070 a tonne, or £1.07 a kilogram. So that's me £28.99. Now I took that welder apart the other day, and it had an aluminium wound transformer. So he took that transformer off me as a motor. You know, it was aluminium wound, and I got $6.40 a tonne for that, so that's not bad. £21.76. As I said, that was electric motor, mixed garage scrap, £215 a tonne, £2.15 a kilogram. Not too shabby, giving me £56. And some stainless steel, under 5 foot, £1,010 a tonne. At 26 kilogram, giving me £26.26. Well, a total of £133. Not shabby for a Friday. It probably don't look any different to you lot, but to me, I'm getting somewhere. Oh yes, I am getting somewhere, but I'll be quite honest. I'm running out of steam. I really am. But fortunately, they sell steam in cans, so all I have to do is keep taking some steam and keep on going. That's without going in there. Still, a little bit of classic rock. Oh, some Balmore, why not? Keep going. I hereby christen this bin. And we start again. Well, stuff me sideways. Just gone 10 to 10, just gone cowboy time. And I've actually really, to be honest, totally just run out of steam. See, that was the second can. We're giving up. We're giving up tonight. Bench is getting there. Ish. I've got to go. There's only so much an artist can do in a day. So, in his shed. See you all in the next one. Be soon. Ta-ra. Whoa, look at that. 25 past 10 in the evening. So, to that end, we have poured ourselves a glass of Faustino 7. The Rioja. We have some Serrano Rolitos and a little bit of 18-month-old matured cheese. I really shouldn't be doing this so late at night, but I'm going to stay up late, I'm going to watch a film. It's going to be tomorrow before I even go to bed. A bleeding editing. See you around.